In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Looker Studio. We'll walk through opening Looker Studio, adding a table to a blank report, and tuning it so your data is clear and readable. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional table you can use in any dashboard. Start by opening your browser and going to lookerstudio.google.com. Sign in if needed, and you'll land on the home screen where your reports live. If your organization uses shared spaces, make sure you're in the right area so your new report ends up where you expect. Create a blank report. When the canvas opens, you may be prompted to pick a data source. That's normal. Tables need a source to pull fields from. Choose the source you want to visualize and allow access if requested. If you've already connected a source, the canvas will be ready with the available fields listed on the right-hand side so you can use them immediately. Now let's add the table itself. At the top, click Insert, then select Table from the list of chart types. Your cursor becomes a crosshair. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the table area, or simply click once to drop a default-sized table. Looker Studio will place a basic table with a default dimension and one or two metrics so you can see something immediately. Time to adjust it. With the table selected, use the handles on the edges to resize it so it fits your layout. In the Properties panel, swap the default dimension for the field you care about and add or remove metrics to match your goals. If your numbers look crowded, increase rows per page or widen columns by dragging the header dividers. Click a column header to sort ascending or descending. This is great for highlighting top performers or spotting outliers. In the Style tab, tweak header colors, enable alternating row shades for readability, and set font sizes that match your brand. Align numeric columns to the right and turn on compact number formatting if you're working with large values. If your table is long, consider enabling a sticky header so column titles remain visible as you scroll. Take a quick look in view mode to confirm everything renders as expected and that the most important information is obvious at a glance. That's it. You went from a blank report to a clear, well-formatted table that reflects the exact fields you need. With these adjustments, your table will be easier to read, easier to scan, and more helpful for decision making. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.